Today we're diving into the Tripp Lite Duplex Multimode 50-125 fiber patch cable, specifically the 152-meter variant. This orange-colored cable boasts impressive specifications, including a length of 498 feet, making it suitable for extensive networking setups. The package dimensions are compact, measuring approximately 15.494 by 16.002 by 15.494 centimeters, with a lightweight build at just 2.2 pounds. Originating from China, this cable is branded under Tripp Lite, known for reliable connectivity solutions. It features LCE to LC connectors and supports multiple connector types, including VGA, DVI, and HDMI, catering to a wide range of devices such as laptops, monitors, servers, and personal computers. The cable type covers USB, DVI, fiber optic, HDMI, and VGA, ensuring versatility in connectivity options. One of the standout features is its high-speed capability, ideal for scenarios demanding rapid data transfer and reliable network performance. Whether you're setting up a data center, upgrading office networking infrastructure, or enhancing home entertainment systems, this Tripp Lite cable promises seamless connectivity and efficient data transmission. In conclusion, the Tripp Lite Duplex Multimode 50-125 fiber patch cable, LCLC 152M, stands out as a dependable choice for anyone seeking robust, high-speed connectivity solutions. Its compatibility with various devices and durable build make it a valuable addition to any tech arsenal, ensuring smooth operations and enhanced networking capabilities wherever it's deployed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.